Good morning. I am Father James Madapat, the superior of Claret House and also parish priest of Christ the King Church. The activity we have here is mainly evangelization. We are concentrating on pastoral works. This parish was entrusted to us around 15 years back. It comes under Vishakhapatnam Diocese, and after we have taken up this parish, we have undertaken a lot of developmental works in this parish. Pastorally and socially, we were concentrating on the developmental activities of the people given to us. There are around 250 families in this parish. The number of the Catholic population may be less than 1,000. And they are all very poor people. They are all doing their daily labor works to meet their needs. In this parish, along with pastoral works, we are also undertaking Italia Solidale project, and also we have a tailoring center here. These activities also help us to be open to the people around this area. Not only Catholics, but also people of our faith also come to us and benefit from these projects. As I told, there are around 15 Catholic villages entrusted to our care. We visit them regularly for giving pastoral services, Eucharistic celebration, and also we also take care of their economical needs also to an extent. We help them for housing, we help them for their medical needs and for their education also. With me there is another priest also, Father Santosh. He is also helping as assistant parish priest and administrator of the house. We have a good teamwork, and we hope we can do well further in the development of this mission. And we have a strong request from the part of the people that we should also extend our ministry to the educational field also. I hope this is a genuine need, and also we may consider in the later stages. Okay, Father.